So I am now here in Avalon. We are selling one of the biggest penthouse of this building. This is a residential building developed by the Primary Homes, located at the very heart of Cebu Business Park. So this is a particular 256 square meter penthouse, comes with 2 parking slots. So the price of this penthouse is 46 million pesos, including the capital gain tax. So I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to tour you around, and I will show you what the view of this penthouse can offer to you. Okay? So first, of course, we took our shoes. It's my the shoes of my friend, who is the owner of this penthouse, and that's mine, and that's the shoes of my other friend. So we're going to check this one. So as you enter from this penthouse, you have here the rack for the shoes that you can put your shoes actually, but we decided to put it outside. And of course, this is a storage. Surprisingly, this storage is so huge that you can do your laundry over there. So this laundry actually comes with a sale. So this is a fully furnished, and upon entering from the left side, there is a kitchen counter, center table that pops up. This one. So I don't want to press anything here, but I give you an idea. This is a pop-up, and the brand is Meg. To tell you, oh, see, this is digital. You can adjust the here, the heat, everything digital. And of course, you have here your refrigerator, 3 doors, 1 and 2, and the other here below. And you can check this one. You have your espresso machine here, and the cabinetry actually, as my friend told me, that this is a brand from Germany. This one, the Blum. And I will show you another brands, Smeg, that this penthouse is using. So your dishwasher there, brand is Smeg. And this is a solid. Yeah. So you have here your sink. So this is actually the kitchen. And you have here another Smeg brand, your oven, and another here, oven, if you love baking, cooking, something like that. So I will go here from the corner and there. So this is a fully furnished. You have your dining sitting area there, and then you have here a center table, and then you have there the living area. And the TV is worth more than 100,000. I think it's almost 200,000. And then you have lots of chandelier in this house. Look at that. You have also your Samsung aircon. Okay. So this is the ground level, not the ground, the first level of the penthouse, because this is 2-level penthouse. So we will go there later. So I'll just show you what you can have here. And of course, we will not forget about this beautiful balcony and your Ayala view. Aray, it's raining outside actually. Oh God, what a view. So there you can see the mountains of the Cebu, and here the alcoves. That's the alcoves condominium, and below there is the entrance of Ayala Mall, and there is the Super Metro department store, and another condominium built by the Ayala, and over there is the roof of the Ayala. That's the roof of Ayala. And that's the terraces of Ayala. And then you have Rostan's department store and supermarket. And that's what is below. So it's nice. And this is the view. Actually, you have view of the ocean here. I think we will turn around. My feet. Okay, it's fine. Let's go from here. So this is your outdoor sitting lounges, your outdoor garden. Look at that. Oh my god. For 46 million pesos, you can get this penthouse. It's 256 square meter plus 12.5 square meters for the parking. So that's the ceiling, and then you have here the outdoor lights, sitting lounges. You can also use this also for smoking area. And then we will go to the second floor. Actually, you have ocean view over there. Let's focus on there. There's an ocean view. It's a little portion. That's the part of North Reclamation area. And then those buildings, the green buildings are Solinea. Actually, this Avalon is built, one of the pioneering condominium located here in Subi Business Park. So this building is already tested by times. Many calamities has been done in Cebu, and this building is still standing. Look at the quality of the structures. If you are interested to know who is the builder of this condominium, it's Primary Homes, one of my favorite developer, real estate developer. So let's go back inside. Shrine. And then we will check this is a good quality sofa. And then the green is steel. Oh my god, I have the same color this of my terno. And look at that plants outside. And then you have here the powder room that comes also with a shower actually. So there's something here, touch. So this is powder room with a shower, and that's okay. So that's my friend. He is also taking video of this penthouse. I want to bring you on the bi-level or the second level of the penthouse. Look at that quality of chandelier there. It's very minimalist and modern. And look at how wide the stairs. And this is a solid wood and glass, and another wood here. I have visited the penthouse that has been developed direct by the developer. This is already changed because the original stairs is very like that. It's very shallow. Let's go up. And then feel the moment while watching here. While watching your beautiful kitchen, your 6-seaters dining, and then here your living area, and then your TV, and then your chandeliers. Let's go here on the second floor. So what we have here, okay, let's check. Okay, we have this one bedroom. Oh, comes with a TV also and aircon and chandelier. And look at that ceiling and bed, queen size bed. And the floor is of course wood. It's not laminated. And my god, I guess this is the master's bedroom. Look at that. There is a sauna. We will check the sauna. And oh, also it's digital. Just do the first. You can off by tapping this one. Oh, it's really digital. So we will just off again. Doing more. Oh, and this one is the closet. See, this is the closet. Okay, let's go to your bathroom and your sauna. Again, it's touch, touch, touch. You're going to the party and you're going to fix yourself watching this beautiful mirror. And then this is your shower. Look at the tiles, the flooring. Okay, and that is what it looks like. So you have your twin basin here, 1 and 2, and your own sauna. Okay, so this condominium has also a common use sauna, so you can see it at the ground floor. So there is a sauna there, can be used by all of the residents living here in this condominium. However, all the penthouse units comes with their own private sauna. That one. Another look. Okay. And let's go to the other bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. The owner really loves lights because everywhere you go there are chandeliers and lights. Another there, lights, and another there, minimalist chandelier. And look at this one. You have your beautiful balcony. Wow. So this is what you can see. You can see ocean over there. Over there, there's an ocean. That's the North Reclamation Area. That's the Solinea, Tower of Solinea. Actually, this is huge. Very huge. Huge. So this is the entrance. And then you have pieces of artworks here. I don't know where their artworks coming from, but I can say that this is nice. I like this one. It's really cool. Okay, let's go to the next bedroom. Oh, another lighting there. And this is also comes with your toilet and bathroom. Okay. How do you use this one? You have to slide it like that. And then also you have to slide like that. And then it's closed. That's your shower. And that is your bed. and another lighting there. It kinda like a lotus flower. And of course, you have your lights here, and then you have view of the alcoves from the window over there. Okay, let's go to the another bedroom. Oh, with 4-4. Oh, it's nice here. Oh. Another lighting there. And the bed. Memory foam bed. And another shower and bathroom. The same shower fixtures with the other bedroom. You have also heater there. See, you have your here. So, check this. Oh, walk-in closet. So we have 3 bedrooms. Each bedrooms has their own toilet and bathroom for this second level. So we will check again there. Let's go down. That's it.